Hello, people. It's Comfort Beats Ambition, the building from with levels. And in this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to something called PHP. I know some people are wondering, like, what is this PHP? Don't worry, you are here and you learn what it is exactly. So, PHP is a programming language of which it only deals with only the web applications, and in order for you to run the same PHP, which stands for pre-hypertext preprocessor, bear in mind that the letters PHP, they stand for pre-hypertext preprocessor. This PHP doesn't run directly like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, of which if you have a browser, you learn it, you run it on your machine. This PHP requires a server. In the next episode, where I'm going to be setting up a server, we are going to use something like XAMP. Okay, as I said, PHP stands for Preoperatex Preprocessor. So this PHP, it is a server-side programming language, meaning it only deals with web applications, unlike some other programming languages like Python, of which you can do with you can do with what's this creating Android applications, games, and whatever. With PHP, you can only write web applications, of which those web applications should run in a browser. Otherwise, other than that, you not run it. Okay, this PHP, let me tell you something about PHP. This PHP, it is a powerful programming language of which it started a long time ago, and its community on some developers forums and website increases. Okay, let me tell you what this PHP does. Okay, with PHP you can read, write, create and delete files, and you can access a lot of databases, and you can create, read, update and delete any database, provided that that database is supported by PHP. Okay, so with PHP you can even connect to the databases. With the same PHP, you can encrypt and decrypt files. You can access the APIs, application processing interfaces, with the same PHP. Okay, let me show you some examples of things that were developed using PHP. If I talk of if I talk of WordPress. Okay, WordPress is a popular content management system, CMS. Okay, a lot of websites use WordPress, and the last time I checked, I found that uh, about 65% websites in the world use WordPress. So WordPress was written in PHP and JavaScript, of which WordPress is an open source, powerful content management system. I know some people who are watching this have already used WordPress, but I'm sure they don't know what they used to come up with it. Yeah, but don't worry, you got me on this. Let me show you some more. Facebook. Facebook was developed using PHP, which is the largest social network on earth. Facebook. If if you can see something like Facebook, the world's largest social network and secure social network, was written with PHP. Is okay. Even Yahoo was written using PHP. With Yahoo, it was only written with PHP, unlike Facebook, of which they mixed with some other programming language. And even Flickr, I don't know if it's Flickr or Flickr, it was also developed using PHP. Okay, so I'll leave a list of top 10 websites in the world that were developed using PHP. Don't worry, I'll leave that. Okay, each and every PHP website ends with the .php extension in the URL. So if I check mbasic.facebook.com, if I check it out, as you can see, just a minute. Okay, so if I just click here on chat, I'll see something like bodylist.php, which is a complete proof that this website was written using PHP. Okay, people, I'll be good and kind and I'll try my best to explain this PHP. And if you face any challenges, please, you can just join our forum of which very soon it will be forum.witlevels.com, but you can access it using forum.4skilllevels.com, and you find a lot of information. So here we have web development and designing section, of which we have HTML, PHP, ASP, etc. So I want everyone watching this tutorial to sign up on our forum, of which I will leave a link in description. Don't worry, or if you don't want, you can just leave it like that. But for quick question and answers, you can just join our forum. It's good when it comes to uh PHP backend. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next episode where I'm going to set up the environment where to run our PHP scripts or applications. Thank you, people, for watching. And if you care about us, you can share our channel, subscribe, and leave comments if you feel like you are stuck on something. Okay.